ओके सर, आता गव्हर्मेंट स्कूल रिओपन करपाक करता पळय विथ सेंट्रल रूल, सो वॉट इज युअर कमेंट?
See, right to education म्हणटे दिलोलें and we were very clear what would be the situation. म्हणजे rights were given to the students to decide certain things, parents certain things, and it was very clear right to education was very important. Now parents and the children, even the children are in a constant fear. भुरगीं भिवपाक लागले. कित्याक भिवपाक लागले? कित्याक कोरोना केसीस वाडले. Hospital situation is so pathetic that पेशंट जो तरी हॉस्पिटलांत वता, हे हॉस्पिटलांत आनी त्या हॉस्पिटलांत ताका बेड ना आनी ऑक्सिजन ना, कांय फॅसिलिटीज सारके नाही. हेसोच सिट्युएशनाचेर आय थिंक द चीफ मिनिस्टर should reconsider the decision. Now, there are two issues in this thing. Some parents want to send, some parents don't want to send. What about those parents who don't want to send, along with their children who don't want to go? Freedom should be given to the parent. They are asking, will online classes be there for them? Whether they will be taken next year because they have not come this year? All these doubts are raised in the parents of the minds of the parents. Therefore, I think the Chief Minister, in the fairness of the situation, or rather the situation demands that the schools should be, opening of schools for the 9th standard and above should be reconsidered. Now, every time we have been opposing these things, that the Chief Minister and the administration goes against our wishes. This time, I think the Chief Minister should reconsider, because parents are calling us. We as public representatives, I get calls from parents who ask us what will be the situation. There are some parents who don't want to send their students at all. They say forget about 1 year. Doubt is whether next year they'll be taken or not. Anyway, I think we should all be united on this thing. I request everybody, all parents, to think wisely and tell each of their representatives that we should somehow reconsider opening, because as per international standards, the second wave also is coming.
सर तुमच्या कुर्तोरेम सँड मायनिंगेचे इशू आहा आनी तितून MLAचेंय नांव येता, सो तुमी खंय पळयतात?
सँड मायनींग चलत तेका हांव कंटिन्युअसली मुगे रिटर्न हें वयता. My letters go in writing. I have got proof that I have opposed irregularities and illegalities. I've been constantly sending letters. Administration कित करता, वयल्यान तांकां काडटा तांकां सांगता की तुमगेलो आमदार हाडयत म्हूण तुमकां. तेंगेलो मिनिस्टर, हांव नांव घेना, तांकां सांगता की हांव हाडयत म्हूण. हांव हाडयना, हांव इलिगल चलत तें बंद करूं सोदता. कित्याक आमगे कुर्तोरी पड म्हणटा ती शेताचो गांव. बांद रेंव जर तर दर्या देगेर काडली जाल्यार बांद डॅमेज जातलो, आनी बांद डॅमेज जाल्यार सॉल्ट वॉटर वील गो इनसायड द फिल्ड्स. So it is in my interest, because mungeli passion ahole. When I took over as an MLA of Kurtori, 40% of the fields were cultivated. This year, I am proud and humbled. We have crossed 95%. 95% of the shet hai di part roile. So I feel amak disota ki sand mining je damage zatole te सगळे illegal and te bond जावपाक जाय. And जो कोण मुझे allegation करता, म्हाका सगळे कुट्रे लोक अडकता. पयशे घेताय मुझे केन्ना एलिगेशन आसपाना. कोणा फोणा उडयलें मुझे एलिगेशन ना, हांव कोणाक दोन चेपत सांगता. I am very clear. I have written 2 letters, and after this letter also we have posted another letter to the Chief Minister. The letters are here. There is no question. Tomorrow it will come everywhere in the press also. And before they opposed, जे लोकांन पड ओपोज केला, सिग्नेचर मान आनी हात पड पेपराचेर येयला, तेंच्या पयलीं हांवें ओपोज केलालें. तेदो हें न्हिदलें. जे कोण हात पड मुझे एलिगेशन घेताय ते न्हिदलें, आनी वयल्यान तांकां कितें मेळटा जातलें, ताका लागून ते न्हिदलें. बट आत लोक उठवला. I have always stood by the people. All my issues, whenever people have got up, I have always stood by the people. I have not seen my interest. I am one MLA who has not seen elected representative. I have said in the assembly ek party, elected representative should do and go by the wishes of the people. So I have gone by the wishes of the people. I will stand by the people to close what illegal sand mining is going on at the places where they have identified and they have told us.
तुम्ही कसे पळयता सध्याचे कोविड सिच्युएशन इन स्ट्रीट्स?
Police station and administration of the Home Department. I have already said that the police, if they don't change their stand of what is there, आतपट जे पुलिसांगे पडे stand आहा ते चोडना, तेगे level of policing चोडना. Where IGP comes to, where DGP comes to Margaon and clarifies about a jeweler murder case, आणि इतू ऑल ड्रग्स रेड जाताय फ्रॉम तुगेले महाराष्ट्रासान गोंया रेड जाता आनी तो येवन कांय सांगना आनी गांवांत पुलिसींग पडे आहा ते इतू देंवलां जाल्यार थोड्या तेंपान पुलिसांक सेक्युरिटी मुच पडटली, ते पुलीस म्हणपा मेळपा नाय. सो मुगे मागणें होम डिपार्टमेंटाक इन्क्लुडींग द पुलीस, प्लीज रेज युअर स्टँडर्ड्स. आय अंडरस्टँड, हांव समजता पॅन्डेमीक टायमाचेर तुमकांय फियर आहा, पॅन्डेमीक टायमार तुमक फियर आहा, लोकांक कोण येताय तें कोरोना, तेका लागून तुमक चड गरज आहा. इट इज मोस्ट सो रिक्वायर्ड दॅट यू इन्क्रीज युअर मॉरल. मिन्स कोण क्रायम करतलो हे टायमाचेर भिवपा जाय पुलीस हें करता म्हण. पुलिसींग आनी पुलीस मॅटर्स सांगपा नाका. हांवें तेंचेर स्ट्रॉंग एलिगेशन घायला हांवें ड्रग्साचेर. हांवें तांकां इन्फॉर्मेशन दिलो आहा, तांकां सॉल्व दिलो आहा. आय गिवन देम अ फ्री हँड. I have asked for a meeting of the Chief Minister regarding the Maina Gurdwara police station and the issues. I want each and everybody to be changed. They are all colluding with the जे कोण drugs आहाय illegal आहाय तेंका collude करता police. सगळे पुलिसांक काडून उडोवपा जाय. ते चड वर्सां मायना गुर्तुर रावन गब्बर जाले. सगळे इन्फॉर्मेशन कोणा रेड पडा कितें पडा हे भायर दिताय म्हूण लोक पब्लीक इज टॉकिंग. आमगे गांवां लोक उलयता, म्हाका हें नाका, पुलिसांक रेस्पेक्ट देवयलो नाका. आय एम अ डिसिप्लिनेरियन. आय बिलीव दॅट पुलिसान तेंगेलो रेस्पेक्ट दवरूं जायो, कित्याक पुलीस बरें आसल्यार आमी बरें आहाय. सो आय फील दॅट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाक मुगे चीफ मिनिस्टराक मागणें, जे हांव गोंसा गेलो तेगे घरा कडेन जाय जाणांनी म्हाका विचारलें हांव तेगे गोंसा गेलो. हांव तेगे गोंसा वचून तेका एकूच वस्त उलयला आनी ती म्हणल्यार ड्रग्साचेर. हांवें सांगलें पुलिसांनी कितें केलें जाता पूण ड्रग्साचेर तेंकां कॉम्प्रोमायज करूंक लायनाका प्लीज. सो ही हॅज एश्युर्ड मी. I am calling upon Chief Minister. Red tube for the paper को नाका. Gambling rate जाल्या पयली. Gambling rate जाल्या तेंक भितोडोय पॅन्डेमीक एक्टाचेर. पोत्तून गॅमलिंग जावपा जायना, ते सोर्स जावपा जायना. करन्सी दवरल्या तेंक भितोडोय. तेंक 2 म्हयने कोरोना टायमाचेर भितर दवरया. तेंक कोणी कोरोना म्हणलो कितें हे मर्डरांक जाता तेंक आनी कितें कर. ऑल इंडिया एनकावंटर जाता. एनकावंटर गेले हांव म्हणना एनकावंटर कर, तेज्या पेक्षा मायज कितें कर हांव कांय सांगना. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन तुगे स्ट्रॉंग दवरपाक यू हॅव टू टेक स्टेप्स. यू हॅव टू कॉल द शॉट्स. डू इट चीफ मिनिस्टर. In these situations, to increase the morale of the police and the police level and amge state work korpak, I will stand by you totally. Forget about the politics of the party. I will stand across party lines. So, Chief Minister, because I believe that Goa has to be safe. We are a safe destination for so many years. Tourist येताय, लोक येता गोंयांत आमी safe destination म्हणून. Change जावपा दिनाका Chief Minister. Act fast.